Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, today in this time I will make a tutorial how to make typography on photopea. Okay, I will make a photography on photopea that is chili with the green white on his body on chili green. Okay, the first we search the picture on Plus. You can search are here green chili. After that, found it. This one. This is you must just uh, this one chili. After that, you can download it. After that, if you want to see how much the size of this picture, you can go to Figma for searching how much picture, how much the size of the picture. Okay, drag are here. One. Okay, you can just Control C, copy, new project on photopea. This one. And then for this one. Okay. After that, you can create. After you create, you can drag the picture chili in here. Nice, this one. After that, if you want to change the tail of the green are right, you can change. In right, you can change to the left. Just put the image in here and transform or flip horizontally. After flip horizontally, like this, nice. Okay, and now you can put the text are here. Click T on your keyboard and click. You can write here green with caps lock green. Nice, this one green. If you want to change the size, just like this here and change maybe to the 3051, 3050. Okay, enough. After that, wait. If you want to change the font, you can change font on here in on character and here. You can change. You can see on Google font. Google fonts are here. And change the categories to the sans serif. This is sans serif. Maybe if not sans serif, serif. Oh no, sans serif. Okay, maybe you can. This one, Mukta, I think is nice. You can search. But still loading for change to the font to Mukta. Wait. Okay. When change to the cover to shape, just click right on your mouse and cover to shape. Okay, cover to shape and click Ctrl Alt T. After that, you can zoom in. Can pass it. Okay, nice. After that, you click right again and warp. Maybe enough and warp like this. Okay, enough. Okay. And click this one. After you that like this, and you can click Ctrl on your keyboard and click green. After that, you can add raster mask. After you change to add raster mask, you can hide the green. Come like this. Green. After that, you hide and you can brush here. Maybe you can change the size. Okay, enough. Just like this, you can brush. Can brush until done. Okay, enough. And go to here. Go to mark. Okay, this one. Okay. And this is the green on typography. Yes, can do that. The green, chili green on chili bodies is what today is green like this. GREEN. Green. I think this is so nice for you can make photo manipulation on photopea. This is easy, right, to make it. And just search the picture here, maybe. Yes. I think this is so nice. Then maybe you can make perfect. Yes, you can just make this is perfect. Yes. Maybe it's nice, right? Okay. Thank you for watching. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.